In the month of February, we saw some down. Now, this was a pretty turbulent month, and a lot of it is the rollout of new policies by the new government. So, between Trump and tariffing different countries, or Musk and the Doge branch of the government axing jobs, and just the news around that is enough to cause some of this turbulence. So I think one of the biggest things I want to highlight is that overall sentiment dropped drastically in February, and it was one of the largest drops in recent years. And that, it shows within the market. It shows that right now we're at a bit of a teeter-totter. Some of the good things to look at are, frankly, other countries. So I wanted to really highlight that this month, and provide that to you guys, where your London, France, German, and Chinese indexes are all going up. The Japan one they're having some internal problems. That one's down a little bit, but I did want to highlight those. And as much as this firm is very much a believer in U.S. innovation and the U.S. economy, this is the reason where we have a slice in other countries. It helps us diversify out. It helps us manage risk. But then there are years where other countries do better than us. So that is the case right now. We'll see what shakes out throughout this year. I also wanted to highlight Bitcoin because cryptocurrency has been in the news a bunch as well. It saw significant drops. You can see in about the month of February, it dropped about 13%. Within that month, as high as 19% if you look intra-month. But as also, since I am making this in the month of March, we get some prescience that over the final week of February, the first week of March, there's a significant increase. So I wanted to highlight there, see how I chopped up that chart for you guys, just kind of an FYI. So with the turbulent times, with a little bit more volatility, we want to just recommend, maybe looking at some winners and trimming your positions, maybe keeping a little bit of dry powder or cash on the side and waiting for a more opportune moment. But certainly do not stop your monthly contributions. Do not stop your 401k, your IRA, or your taxable contributions. We are not trying to time the market. We continue to be long-term investors. Let's not get lost in some short-term volatility. This firm believes that there is still green to be had in this year. There may be a more opportune buying opportunity, but let's weather that storm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in March.